ardderchog. Reit te. Sut dyn ni'n licio dechrau dosbarth? How do we like to start a nice dosbarth Cymraeg? Gyda tân ardderchog. O, mae can neis gen i chi heddiw. Can neis ofnadwy. Reit te. Y gan ydy iawn. Daw hyfryd fus. Hands up if you know any words, right? Da chi'n nabod rhywbeth yn fan hyn? Daw hyfryd fus?
Beautiful, something beautiful, something lovely.
Hyfryd, ie. Beth ydy hyfryd? Lovely. Lovely, da iawn. Mis. Mis Ionawr, mis Chwefror, mis Mawrth, month, da iawn. So, a beautiful month will come. Daw will come. Yeah? A beautiful, fel o dod, comes from dod, iawn. Daw hyfryd fus, a beautiful month will come. Mehefin.
June.
Da iawn.
My birthday.
Ydy, dy benblwydd yn mis Mehefin.
Yr ail.
Ati.
Oh, pryd.
Am dydd Sadwn?
Yr ail.
Am dydd Sadwn?
Yr ail? Dydd Sadwn sy'n dod?
Wel, mae parti cynnar.
Parti cynnar?
Weithiau.
Beth am ganu penblwydd hapus rwan, few days early, dim ond? Syniad da! 1, 2, 3. Penblwydd hapus I ti. Penblwydd hapus I ti. Penblwydd hapus I Da iawn.
Hold on a second.
Hey, did you notice dipyn bach o harmoneiddio fan'na?
Yeah, da iawn.
Da iawn, fi. Right. Mehefin, cymbo hir.
Before long.
Da iawn, cymbo. Fel,
Cymbo hir.
legs a cymbo. Cymbo hir. Cymbo hir. Before long. Before long. Hir, mae gwallt hir gyda Lucie. Gwallt hir iawn gyda Lucie. Cymbo hir. Before it be long. Before long, iawn.
Hir. Cymbo hir.
Cymbo hir. Reit te. A chlywir. Clywed. A chlywir. Y gwcw. 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 Da iawn. A chlywir y gacw. Gacw. Gwcw. Canu. La 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 la. Braf yn ein tir. Braf, like mae'n braf. Yeah, mae'n nice. Nice in our land, yeah? Tir in the land. So, a beautiful month will come, June before long, and we'll hear the cuckoo cuckoo singing beautifully across the land. Neis iawn. Braf yn ein tir. Braf yn ein tir. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Canim braf yn ein tir. Reit te, gwrandewch, dych chi wedi clywed hon? Daw hyfryd fus, Mehefin cymbo hir. A chlywir y gwcw, canim braf yn ein tir. Braf yn ein tir. Braf yn ein tir. Gwcw, 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 canu'n braf yn ein tir. Ardderchog, ac os ydych chi'n gallu darllen music, dwi wedi rhoi copi ar eich hydeiriau. Iawn te. Oh, I've also given you some other handouts that I'd prepared ar gyfer gweithio yn canteen yr ysgol a blasu gwyn. But there's no pressure, just dialogues os ydych chi eisiau nhw. Rather you have them, maybe.
Ydy'n posib i weld y cart i pob arall.
Edrychol! Dyma neis. Mae plant ysgol gynradd Eglwys Wrw wedi wneud cardyn i chi yn dweud daliwch ati, keep going. Oddi wrth pawb yn ysgol Eglwys Wrw. Everybody yn ysgol Eglwys Wrw. Dyna neis, ynde?
Dyla ni.
Cute, ynde? So, na ni roi hwnna yn fanna I chi. A dych chi'n gwybod, oedd Osian, y bachgen bach, nath ddeud diolch yn fawr, he made this little thank you speech, yn dysgu Cymraeg. He was a learner, yeah. O'n I ddim yn gwybod tan wedyn. Reit te, ar eich traed. Rhowch eich ffeils, neu, os ydych chi eisiau cario nhw, reit. OK. O, mae'n iawn. Dau, dim problem, mae'n iawn. Lowri.
Lowri Bowen.
Lowri Bowen.
Oh, sorry, I'm bumping into you. Because they put our chairs so close together.
Ie, dach chi'n iawn. Gewch chi wasgaru nhw dipyn bach. Can, maen nhw'n dipyn bach yn spread out a little bit os ydych chi eisiau. Ie, mae'n iawn. Dych chi'n gallu eisiau bach o space. OK. 1, 2, 3. Daw hyfryd fus, mae hefyd cyn bo hir, a chywir yn gwbl gan i'n braf yn ei tir. Braf yn ei tir, braf yn ei tir. Gwgw gan i'n braf yn ei tir. Da iawn, reit. Di hwn yn help? Just dipyn bach fel yma?
I feel like I do know it for...
OK. Eto, ti'n gwybod y gan?
I think that...
Ti'n meddwl ti wedi clywed y gan o'r blaen? OK te, unwaith eto, reit. 1, 2, 3. Daw hyfryd fus, mae hefyd cyn bo hir, a chywir yn gwbl gan i'n braf yn ei tir. Braf yn ei tir, braf yn ei tir.
Cwcw gan i'n braf yn ei tir.
Reit, rhowch y copies I lawr. A dyn ni'n mynd I afal dwylo, cos I like gafal dwylo. Neis, a sefyll mewn cylch. Gafal dwylo. Reit, dyn ni'n mynd I gerdded i'r dde gynta, ac wedyn ar ôl bob llinell, dyn ni'n stopio a mynd i'r chwith. Iawn? Ar ddiwedd bob llinell, felly dde, chwith, dde, chwith, dde. Hapus?
Hapus, ie.
Iawn. 1, 2, 3. Daw hyfryd fus, mae hefyd cyn bo hir, a chlywir yn gwbl gan i'n braf yn ei tir. Braf yn ei tir, braf yn ei tir.
Cwcw gan i'n braf yn ei tir.
O ie, da iawn, ar ddechrau.
Where's the three cuckoos?
Gwgw. O, oce. Troi, ti'n iawn.
Troi.
Oce. Eto. Oce, let's freestyle. Troi ar ôl bob gwgw. Oce.
And then still take the opposite direction.
Oce.
He doesn't like to perform.
Just the Alfie.
You've changed it.
Oce, felly i'r dde I ddechrau, iawn?
I'r dde.
Oce, 1, 2, 3.
Daw hyfryd fus, mae hefyd cyn bo hir, a chywir yn gwbl gan i'n braf yn ei tir. Braf yn ei tir, braf yn ei tir. Cwcw gan i'n braf yn ei tir.
Rwan te, dyn ni'n mynd, neswch chi glywed y plant yn canu yn yr ysgol, mae nhw'n mynd i'r eisteddfod. So, yr wythnos nesaf, mae'r eisteddfod genedlaethol, iawn? The National Eisteddfod yr Urdd, y plant. Ac mae nhw'n neud parti canu. So, let's have our own little parti canu. So, pawb I sefyll fel hyn. A dewch, fan hyn, I wynebu'r camera. We're going to give them a little perfformiad adre, iawn? Felly, rhai tal yn y cefn, os gwelwch yn dda, rhai bach yn y ffrynt. Bach. Neti, Alex.
Ydy yn posib I symud bwrdd gwyn?
O, ydy, syniad da. Na I wneud, eich chi rwan. Syniad da. Diolch. Di hwnna'n iawn, boys? It's all gone horribly wrong. O, nawn ni symud o'n ôl. Just keeping you on your toes, ynde? Reit, te, chi'n barod? Dipyn bach fel yna, na ni. Iawn, o, da ni dipyn bach yn fler yma na. Ie, Alex yn y cefn. Yn y cefn, dyna ni, dipyn bach.
Owen.
Hyfryd. Dych chi'n barod rwan am y perfformiad. Reit te.
Fi gyda ti.
Reit te, pan da ni'n perfformio perfformio yn yr eisteddfod, mae'n bwysig iawn sefyll gyda'ch ysgwyddau yn sgwar. Yn dydi, Wynne?
Wel, ie.
A brest neu'ch bronau allan, Mrs. Na, glywes I am...
Abused.
Fi ennill y bingo bore yma. Fe nath I codi thop.
I don't get who it was, just hands off, all right?
They're all going to let you win bingo forever now.
Everybody's going to let you win that.
Reit felly, da ni'n sefyll yn sgwar fel hyn, traed gyda'i gilydd, yn barod I ganu, ac mae eisiau perfformio, iawn? Dipyn bach o And you can always give it some goo-goo, 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 os da chi isio, iawn? Neu goo-goo, goo-goo,
Oh, yeah, there's no
Oh, right, okay.
To the right first, to the right.
Right, give it some only men allowed, boys, all right? I'r...
There.
Like,
Over there.
over there, over there. Da iawn.
How much do we turn? Is it a full?
Oh, it's just a slide.
Separate the sign, na I fynd I canol. Okay de, chi'n barod. Ceiwch y drysau, pob chwarae teg, os gwelwch yn dda. 1, 2, 3.
Daw hyfryd fys, mae hefyd cyn mor hir, a chlywir y gwcw cael ei braf yn ein tir. Braf yn ein tir, braf yn ein tir. Cwcw, 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 cael ei braf yn ein tir.
Right, mae hon fel can round robin, iawn. Felly, dyn ni'n dechrau gyda... OK, 2 grŵp I ddechrau. Let's chill to start with, iawn. Wynne, y blefyn, buddig, lowri a dewi, hedd a blefyn. Buddig, hedd a blefyn, OK. Dych chi'n un grŵp, dych chi'r grŵp arall, iawn. Felly, dyn ni'n dechrau man hyn. 1, 2, 3. Wedyn, pan dwi'n ciwio chi, you come in o'r dechrau, a dych chi ddim yn gwrando arnyn nhw. Iawn? OK, right. 1, 2, 3.
Daw hyfryd fys, mae hefyd cymbo hir, a daw hyfryd fys, mae braf yn ei tir, a braf yn ei tir, gan I braf yn ei tir, braf yn ei tir, a braf yn ei tir, gwcw, 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 gan I braf yn ei tir, a daw hyfryd fys, mae hefyd cymbo hir, a braf yn ei tir, gan I braf yn ei tir, gwcw, 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 braf yn ei tir, gwcw, 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 gan I braf yn ei tir, a braf yn ei tir, gan I braf yn ei tir, a braf yn ei tir, gan I braf yn ei tir, braf yn ei tir, gan I braf yn ei tir, gwcw, 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 gan I braf yn ei tir.
Da iawn, eistedd o.
Wow, lush.
Wel, y wobr gynta yn mynd I garti. O, ma fynd yma. Parti canu, garti pannu. Parti canu, cariad at iaith. Da iawn, da iawn. Reit Gyda'ch sgriptiau, iawn. Gyda'ch sgriptiau rwan. Dwi'n gwybod eich bod chi wedi edrych ar... Dyn ni wedi edrych ar y 4 dudalen gyntaf, first 4 pages, yn dydan. Chi'n hapus gyda'r rheina? Right. Beth dwi eisiau I chi wneud, iawn, ydy gyda partner, dwi eisiau chi chwilio, sganio fel hyn, right? Ac ydych chi'n gwybod beth ydy action word, okay? A verb, okay? An action word, rhywbeth fel nofio, dawnsio, rhedeg, ffonio. Something you do, an action you do, iawn? So, meddyliwch yn Saesneg hefyd. To eat, to sleep, to do, to work, to dance. So, I swim, I dance, I work, I sit, I run, beth bynnag fel hyn, iawn? So, action words. So, not descriptive words, ddim pethau fel hapus, trist, enwog, dim byd fel na. Dim ond yr action words, the verbs, okay?
Bad luck.
Beth oedd o?
Bird.
Oh, yeah.
Was anyone in here? Aderyn.
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 Yeah. Na, ath e mewn?
Yeah. Is it gone out? Yeah, it's gone out.
Dim y ti, dosbarth. Dim problem.
Be ddim yn... Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay if it's in the classroom then.
Fine.
A ddoe, weles I 4 pioden, magpie, gyda'i gilydd, ar diwrnod cynt, day before, weles I 4 pioden gyda'i gilydd, 4 of them, yn hedfan I ffwrdd, one for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 for girl, 4 for Odd iawn, 2 diwrnod. Gan I weld. Reit te, felly, gyda'ch partner, dwi eisiau chi chwilio am yr action words yma, iawn? A dwi eisiau chi I ysgrifennu nhw. Pawb, copi bob un, iawn? Pawb I ysgrifennu y geiriau. Diolch.
Diolch yn fawr.
Dyna ti. Dyna ti. Dyna ti. Reit, dwi eisiau I chi ysgrifennu y geiriau mewn rhestr I lawr yr ochr, iawn? So, enghraifft, dod, gweld, deall, siarad, and so on, iawn?
Yeah.
Ysgrifennwch nhw mewn rhestr I lawr yr ochr, iawn? So, any ones you find, beth bynnag dych chi'n ffeindio, ysgrifennwch nhw mewn tabl, ond yn fach, yeah? Because there's lots of them, so don't do them yn fawr fel na, just yn fach I lawr fel na. Iawn? Hapus? O'r gorau, reit, gyda'ch partner, chwilio am yr... Ti'n iawn, ti wedi colli rhywbeth, Wynne?
Na, os beirw, gyda ti.
Oes, dwi'n siŵr bod beirw. O, oes. Mae, yn y bocs yna, Wynne, mae bocs o feiros. Dere nhw draw, cariad. Os ydych chi'n gyfforddus yna, dim problem. Os ydych chi eisiau eistedd wrth y bwrdd, mae hwnna'n iawn. Feel free I fynd I eistedd ble ydych chi eisiau.
Should we eistedd?
Is it 2, yeah, bad? Yeah, there's
Oh,
box.
oh, yeah,
Is it at the table?
Yeah, you're right.
O, ie, ydych chi'n gweithio'n aml gyda...
What's the table?
Ie, falle.
Bwrdd.
Falle bod e'n syniad neis I chi ffeindio partner newydd, ie?
Partner newydd.
Minglo dipyn bach. O, minglo. O, bydeis. Myny'n ti.
Cariad. Da iawn. Sit down in now, te.
She is a beast. Finding a new partner.
Da iawn.
Right.
Do you look at me?
It is no.
Yeah, new partner.
If I can't see it, move. So, the first...
Ioan.
Show me what it
Down the verbs, yeah.
Oops.
We've got to find the verbs, eh?
Verbs.
Chwyr, reit. Ofyn, chwyr.
Yes.
Gyffarwydw.
Camphor, that's not a verb, is it?
Wel, dod.
Ie, y ddau I ysgrifennu, ond ffeindio nhw gyda
A bit further down.
Dod, that's right.
Dau bapur.
So, dwi do, dod da. Ich yn gwybod. To know, what's gwybod as well? To know.
To know, yes, gwybod.
Gwybod. And then...
Dwi'n dod yn reiddiol, ond dwi'n byw.
Dod. But I go, yeah, let him in. Rhiedd original. No, so. Do in byw, so.
I live.
I live.
I wonder to live.
To live.
But I wonder whether that's to live in a place or whether it is to...
Yeah. To live. And I live. It's got a... It's an action.
Yeah. Should we put it down and see what it... Yeah. It might be to live in a place, there you go. But...
Byw. My writing is terrible. Byw.
Right.
Oh, you're writing it down, yes. What?
Do we both write it down?
I've no idea.
We'll both write it down, here we go. What else have we got here? Are you on the next one? Not far from the scene? That's not no verbs.
Yeah, not far. More.
Amor.
Guys, cliw bach I chi. Guys, just gwrandewch am eiliad. Dai ag Alfie a Wynne a Lisa. Cliw bach I chi, os ydych chi'n meddwl, oh, hang on, is that a verb or not? Cliw bach ydy, os ydych chi'n gallu dweud yn Saesneg I before it, like I work, I come, I swim, beth bynnag, mae'n verb. Ond ydych chi ddim yn gallu dweud I happy, I read, I fel cliw bach.
What about you, as in I am?
Byddai dod, yeah. Ah, right, okay.
Because it's from the verb to be, isn't it?
Yeah, ti'n iawn. Oh, yeah. Na, gadewch hwnna.
Don't worry,
it's yeah, it is a verb, but it's a way of putting a verb in a tense. So yeah, we'll gadewch hwnna, keep to the
just to the
simple one,
right,
the
okay.
actions, yeah.
To
Great.
dod.
So we won't worry about the who or something like
Ti'n
that.
gwybod.
Fantastic. So gwybod is, yeah.
Okay.
I live, so that's
byw.
byw, in byw.
Byw, da iawn.
Yn Saesneg neu Gymraeg?
Yn y ddau.
Y ddau, okay.
Yeah, great. Byw, da iawn.
Not far from the
So,
sea.
os gnewch chi, just fel hyn, so just byw, just dod.
So, like to direct, would that just be cover?
Oh, right, okay. Yeah.
So
I didn't know.
would she class it as a... Okay.
Possibly.
Oh, with it, okay. Fel dych chi'n gwybod, as you know, dwi'n dod o Patagonia, which is near America originally.
I live. I live.
So, byw. Yn Aberdael yn nawr, dim yn bell o nôl. Dim far from the sea.
Dwi'n siarad.
Siarad, da iawn. Cymraeg a Sbaeneg, wrth gwrs, Portugueg. O tipyn bach. Dwi'n... Gallu is able. I swear, no, okay. Darllen, read.
Where's gallu?
Dwi'n gallu darllen.
Ennill. To win.
Ennill, to win. Feels more like a school class now, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Picking out
doesn't it?
verbs.
Yeah. Ond dwi ddim wedi dod yma.
To come, we've had to come already,
Yeah,
haven't
I
we?
siarad.
Siarad we've had, yeah. No, I've come here.
Dwi wedi dod yma I baratoi. That's your favourite word.
Baratoi.
I think that's mutated though. So it's
Baratoi,
paratoi.
yeah.
I don't know though. I may be wrong.
Pair, isn't it?
Yeah. Mae hi'n gyffroes iawn. So, ymdrechio?
Iawn. Na,
No, because I effort.
yeah. Ymdrechu ydy fel to make an effort, ond ymdrechion ydy actual effort. Yeah.
That's a noun.
So that's,
yeah.
So is it come?
To say.
I achub.
Da iawn.
To come.
She's picking up loads, isn't she?
Yeah, but I got the translation.
Yeah, you're brilliant.
Oh, great. Oh my god, oedd yn amazing ddoe. So, fel, mae mor neis I fi glywed, achos ti'n dweud, oh yeah, I feel like I haven't got that much of it. And then from nowhere, nes ti just mynd, mae'n flin dy fi bo fi'n...
That's right, defnyddio.
Swear word. Mae'n flin dy fi bo fi, like, I've drunk too much, kind of thing. But it was like this perfect sentence. But if you'd have tried to go, right, how do I say da-da-da, but you just felt it, so you said it, ti'n gwybod? So, dipyn bach fel ar y tro. Da iawn. Dipyn bach by dipyn bach.
Oh, there we are. I'm so awkward. Defnyddio, yeah?
Yes, yeah.
Defnyddio.
Defnyddio.
Let me see.
Lovely.
Right, we don't...
Tri.
Teledau? Is it teledau? Teledau?
Teledy's telly. Teledy's TV. No, Taz pay.
What did they there? Tull on the top. Tull.
Tull? Okay.
Something tull. I'll ask her when she comes around.
Yeah.
I keep forgetting simple words like that.
Yeah, no, I do. It's funny, isn't it? I think different people in the group remember certain different words. You know that some words are really hard for me and are really easy for other people. Then some are kind of quite simple. They just clicked, and it's funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, now
we've got defnyddio. We've got that, haven't we?
Defnyddio.
Actor yn gorau. Dyna pam to come.
Dyna pam
That's why you're here.
Dethorau. Lucky people now.
Sydd who have been invited. Gwahodd.
Oh.
Actio.
Oh no.
To be invited.
To invite.
To invite, yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Gwahodd.
Gwahodd.
To act.
Actio.
I actio.
USD
Forest. That's one. Welcome to you. Ichi. To you. No, that's not doing it, idiot. Felly, USD Forest, USD Moethus. Our country in Gwlad, Byddin Aros.
Aros.
To stay.
German as well. I'm sure. Would you say what? Have B1.
I know what you mean. To have, of course, is is a verb, but this one I think is one of those funny words. But it means you have meaning in the past tense.
Right. Okay. So you have seen.
Yeah. So it's
right. So you have.
So the verb really is
seen. Gweld.
Yeah. But we don't say I be. You say I am.
Right.
So it all is a bit funny. So we leave that one out.
Just released the film. They were there. What was that again? They were there.
Yeah, the word means the end.
Helpy or Western? Helpy?
I've just finished, is it?
Yeah, it is, but it's...
I leave my food as guests. Is it all their guests? Okay. Gweithio am I hefyd
Oh, this is the... Do you know, it's these three lines.
Also, I think that is hefyd.
People believe...
Plant a bananiad. Okay.
It is the best, and it should definitely win. So Ennis is definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, to win. No, sorry, I mean it's definitely one of the.
Okay. Is it?
You know.
Should we do our translations?
But is the so good, it is sure to win. Okay. Okay.
Or life and Oscar, if not more. But I'm not here to...
Wedi. Dod.
I'm not here today to talk charade about the film. No.
She has to
I'm here today to prepare baratoi. Prepare.
Yeah.
No.
You can.
Well.
Can.
Yeah, can. Question mark.
Yeah.
You can have to teach. You can put an I in front of it in order to.
Yeah.
That's to darllen to read. Gweld to see. Oh, diolch. To understand. Diolch. Gweld to see. Ydddi.
What's that? What have I written there?
What's that? Ydddi.
Where's that?
Ydddi. Oh, byddai?
Have I written it down completely wrong?
Yeah.
Where is
Misspelled
it?
it.
We're talking about down
Credu.
I've learned it. What does it come after? Gweld.
Gweld.
Where's he gweld?
Gweld.
Okay.
Ffilmiau. Gwych. Newydd. Rhyddai.
To release.
To release. Rhyddai. You've got a very small, indistinct R there.
I have. It's my writing. To... Oh gosh, what's the matter with me? Release.
And then to believe, no?
So it's definitely I believe.
Do you believe in
love after love? I can feel something.
So, yeah.
Credu.
Credi. Have you heard people say, would you credit it? Have you ever heard
that? Yeah.
Would you credit it? And
yeah,
it means,
right,
would you believe it?
it.
Doesn't it? So, credi means to believe. And we're not doing that these things are I board, he more tha.
That's good. Ennill.
Yes, your favourite verb, I'd say.
How do you spell it, ennill? At least one Oscar. There's none in that one, no?
No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so, because you don't need it, is it? It's only sort of saying what you're going to win, and you're going to win at least one Oscar, if not more. Right, on the next bit.
Ond dwi ddim wedi dod am y heddi. So the one in that is come.
Yeah.
And that word is... Heddi is today. Come is amma, is it?
No, what is come? You do know it.
Dod?
Yes.
Dod.
But we've already done that, see?
Oh, right. Oh, okay. Would talk be one?
But this is like a little idiom.
Yeah.
They are beside themselves, so it's not actually a
right.
Okay.
So,
okay, I'm just going to that one out to help. The other one we were thinking,
Gashly.
Gashly, yeah.
I can't.
To be able to.
To be able to, so I can. Yeah, it was wrong.
Yeah, it's like I can to now.
Yeah.
Right, gwych, let me just check here. Perffaith. Right, ar ôl i chi orffen, gallech chi cymryd y papur fel hyn and just plygio and just test each other maybe. So un I ddweud y Cymraeg, a llall I ddweud y Saesneg, and then you can even do it the other way around. It's a bit harder doing it from the Saesneg to the Cymraeg, but un I ddweud dod, paratoi, achub, and just test each other fel yna, iawn? Ar ôl 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is it possible if I gai fynd I ti bach?
Wrth gwrs.
Is that okay?
Dim probs o gwbl.
I won't be long.
Wrth gwrs. Na I ddod I
Okay.
croeso.
Siarad.
Talk to talk.
Check in.
Yeah, I'm like this. So, ennill.
To win.
Credu.
To believe.
Actio.
To act.
Aros.
To stay.
Dyfnedailo. Dailio.
How do you spell it?
Oh God, let's see if I can find it here.
It's alright.
It's Defny.
Defnyddio.
Defnyddio. No.
Dev. Nydd.
Is it double? Oh, it's double D. That's the problem. I couldn't spell it.
Defnyddio.
Defnyddio.
To use.
Yay!
I need to use a better pen. I need to use somebody else to write down my notes. Gwahodd.
G-W-A-H-O-D. Gwahodd. To invite.
Yes, God, you're good. Filmio.
To film.
Redeg.
To run.
Gweithio.
To work.
Hoffi.
To like.
Helpy.
To help.
Whee! I have left any out. Now that's this one. I couldn't read mine writing this one. Achab.
Where is it?
I see it on here and I can read it a bit better. Achab.
I'll wait till Lucie comes back in. Oh no, do you want to carry on with doing that first and then we'll test you, yeah?
Oh wait, no, in fact, test me so I can wait for her to go through it.
Credu.
To believe?
Gwybod.
As you well know, no.
Defnyddio.
To use.
Dod.
From, to come.
Siarad.
Speak.
Rhyddhau.
Rhyddhau is... Oh, I always forget this one. It is... Yeah, that's what I was going to say. That's weird. To release.
You didn't recognise my song, did you?
No. Release me.
Gweld.
See.
Deall.
Understand.
Siarad.
Talk.
Defnyddio.
Defnyddio, to use.
Oh, this is way too easy for you, mate. To see.
Gweld.
To release.
Rhyddhau.
Prepare.
To prepare is...
Always, if you ever get a pet parrot, okay, you always have to prepare them to speak. So paratoi.
Baratoi, yeah.
Da.
How about from Saesneg and Gymraeg?
Saesneg and Gymraeg. Da.
Okay. To come.
Dod.
To know.
Gwbod.
To help.
Helpu.
To like.
To like. To like. What is it?
Okay, clue. What would you say if I like coffee?
Coffee. Coffee. Coffee.
Work.
Gweithio.
To live.
Byw.
To talk.
Siarad.
To be able to.
Gellu.
To run.
Redeg.
To film.
Ffilmio.
To stay.
Aros.
To understand.
Gwbod. No,
No, I don't think it is.
It's not gwbod.
No.
No. To understand.
To understand.
To understand. To understand.
Duh.
Dyfyddnod. No.
Deall.
Deall. Deall. Yeah.
Deall.
That's now on to 3.
Okay.
And there we are. We've finished. We've learned Welsh. All of it.
That's it.
We've
Fluent.
learnt it now.
We might as well go home with one. So.
I think what should we do next week? Should we go do this in Germany?
Well, yeah, I was thinking somewhere more exotic. Maybe, you know, get out to the Bahamas and learn a little native language there.
Okay, for a week in the forest, because that's it now. That's all the Welsh learned. Dinner time now.
No, bedtime for me. What do you blin or lan? Okay, come on, we can do this. Defnyddio, we've got right, okay.
Okay, so
do we
now.
eisiau? I want.
So we've got that. We've got eisiau already.
Have we?
Yeah. Oh, hang on, when did you go to the toilet?
We've got a don't want. No,
What have you got?
I'm up to you.
Eisiau and defnyddio. There we go. So
we've got that again. Yeah. Actorion Gwersi Welsh actors.
So we've got that. Actorion.
Dyna pam. That's why.
No wonder. I've got the wrong page there.
Oh, we're on the wrong page.
I was like, what am I doing?
Oh,
but naturally, I want to be Wales's good eye best now.
But naturally, I want to use Wales's best actors. We've got I want and to you, so that's why you are here. You're here. You are the select few.
And then his might be up there on that bit and mine might be up that bit.
And then the other way around. And every activity has to vary so that it appeals to somebody who's very kind of methodical and they like lists and other people hate that.
Don't care, or introspective.
Yeah.
Or
it's interesting, and that's the challenge as a teacher, because you're like, oh, what do I do now? It's like
it's a many different skills.
But mae hwn yn great.
Have you worked out what sort of people we hired?
I know you're lovely. That's
all you need. That's all you need to know. Right, so we're up to
now, guys, because you've got so far, not everybody's finished, but just at this point now, Beth am, just stop there for a second.
We need it at the bottom of page 2, yeah?
When you get to the bottom, great. And then, just have a little ymarfer, okay? So, if you start with one of you saying the Welsh and the other person saying the English, the translation, okay? Just to practice like that. If you feel really confident with that, you can do it the other way around. Tell them the English and they'll give you the Welsh.
Brilliant.
Okay?
Okay, we just go to the bottom of the page then.
Na fo, dim problem.
Right, achub, y ddaia, rhag dihiro dieflig o ben draw'r bydysawd. Can you read that out to me in English from to save?
To save the earth from dastardly villains from the far end of the universe.
Well, it's only to save, isn't it? That's what they do when they save it.
Would end not be one?
To end, well, yeah, it is to end, but it's the world's end. It's the end of the world. Somebody, I know what you mean. No, it's. Don't worry about that.
Right, okay.
You're right. You're absolutely right. Because of course you can say to end, but not in this context.
Right. Okay.
So there must be one left because there's got to be a verb in every sentence. The shortest sentence in the Bible is Jesus wept. So what's the verb in there?
To wept. To wept. Yeah. To Jesus. To wept. Wept is the word.
To Jesus.
To Jesus.
Can I do Jesus?
It was a 50-50. I wasn't going to phone a friend.
But it doesn't make it a sentence unless it's got a verb in it.
So is there a sentence in the world without a verb in it?
Nah, because it's not a proper sentence then. But you can have Jesus wept. Go on, try and say a sentence without a verb. You'd have to just go... Go on, try and say something. Say anything. And I'll tell you what. Just talk off the top.
Orange carrot.
That's not a sentence.
Orange carrot. Sliced.
To slice. Sliced, okay. But that's still not a sentence, is it? If you said to me...
An orange carrot sliced.
And what do you want to do with it?
Well, no. I'm defying gravity here. There's apparently no sentence in the world that you can say without a verb in it.
Yeah.
And I said, an orange carrot sliced.
But it's not a proper sentence, is it?
What do you want to do with it?
So as a full stop, a sentence. And so can a comma be the start of a sentence?
Well, you could have a comma there. You could have an orange carrot sliced comma, and then go on.
An orange carrot sliced.
But you're still going to want to do something with it, isn't it? You still...
in the blue sky.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what?
But sliced is to slice. That is, there's a verb.
Well, no, he's okay. It's a past participle.
It's the actual word.
You're all right.
An orange carrot sliced in the blue sky.
What about it?
Oh, this is harsh. You're just going to keep me going until I say one.
I'd like an orange carrot sliced in the
I'd like an orange carrot sliced in the blue sky.
What's the verb?
To like to like.
Hey!
Wow.
Did you? I just want to listen to your orange carrot.
I don't know. I struggle with the English grammar. I really struggle. I don't know what the verb, what the noun, all that.
But even if you said an orange carrot sliced in the blue sky is nice, where's the verb there? That's a difficult one.
Oh, they're...
That's a sentence. An orange. If I was writing a poem, an orange carrot sliced in the blue sky.
Defnyddio. Right? Aros.
It's a tricky one.
Aros.
The dog stay.
Aros.
To be.
You've changed the word then from is to be.
I know, but that's the whole verb. That's the infinitive of the verb. That never changes. I am, you are, he, she, or it is. We are, you are, they are. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just there's no sentence in the world without the verb.
Wow, that's interesting.
So that's all we're doing. Down the bottom of the page.
Right.
Okay. Nofio.
To swim in it, yeah. Nofio. To climb, climb.
Dringo, I think, is to climb.
To climb.
Dringo.
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 To pray and chwarae in it.
Oh, what's to pray?
No.
Oh, to play. To play.
Chwarae.
Oh, chwarae, sorry.
Chwarae.
Chwarae. To play.
Play.
Tally.
Tally to count, or is it to pay?
Tally to pay.
Tally to pay. To ride? I don't know. To ride? We haven't had it.
But then check your tweet.
Right.
No, what else do we do?
To sheep, to canny, to sing.
Good one.
To make.
To make. Gwneud, is it?
Gwneud. Gwneud.
Aros.
The dog stay.
Hoffi.
Coffee. I'd like the coffee. Hoffy.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee. Byw. Dwi'n byw yn Caerdydd.
Live.
Siarad. Ti'n siarad Cymraeg?
Speak.
Darllen.
Don't tell me. Read.
Yeah. Deall.
Understand.
Brilliant. Rhyddhau.
Don't tell me. Release.
Yay! Credu.
Believe.
You're flying now. Paratoi.
Prepare.
Achib.
Achib. Stay? No.
Achib y...
Save.
Ishe.
Want.
You're brilliant. Defnyddio. Defnyddio. Yeah, that's a hard one.
It's one that it's one that's used a lot, isn't it?
You just said the word.
One that want.
Yeah, one that's
to use.
Defnyddio. Do you remember that? Defnyddio acatoris.
I don't really know.
Gary.
To help to... Oh, to look. Edrych.
To look. Edrych. Da iawn. To please. What do we have there? To please.
To look.
To please.
To please. I don't know. Did we do that one? What else do we know? I don't know anything.
No, we don't know anything. To do. We've done that.
To do. Yeah, we did that one. To do.
What is to do?
Gwneud, wasn't it? Gwneud.
Ride. No, we don't ride. Ride in a car. To drive. Guru.
Ymolchi.
To wash. Molchi.
Let's go down here.
Darllen, we've done that, haven't we?
I'm trying to think of all those pictures that we had.
Well, we've got most of them. Tally.
Yeah.
To read, darllen.
I eistedd I lawr, tîm. Iawn, dau. Iawn. Dewch I eistedd I lawr.
In the blue sky.
I've got a good way to remember this. I just give it to Lisa.
Yeah, this one.
Here we go.
Pictures, yeah. We've got nofio now then.
I know me though, they'll ask me live now, I go, yeah, it's bang.
Stop pushing the chairs in, I saw that. I saw it. Don't push the chairs, don't touch the chairs again, those are my chairs, alright?
Guys, have you done
Oh no, it's all going off.
Don't touch the chairs, touching the chairs.
No.
What's the touch in Welsh?
It was a pleasure.
Cyffordd. Dim cyffordd y cadair. He's touched the chairs, he's moved the chairs in.
Why don't they leave us alone?
Iawn te.
Cyffordd.
Oh God.
What? To please. You've got a damp, right? It's just...
Cyfarwyddwr. Cyfarwyddwr.
Oh, mash brain.
Portiwgeeg.
Almaeneg. Reit te, ar ferchog, rwan ta, o'n i just yn esbonio i Alfie a Dai, pam o'n i'n neud hyn iawn, achos dydy e ddim yn bwysig. Dyn ni ddim yn astudio, we're not going, oh, we need to learn grammar, we need to learn grammar. Ond, o'n i'n esbonio, gyda dad awgrymeg, Dysgu, mae'n bwysig iawn, 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 i fynd trwy'r amser o y darlun mawr, y llun mawr, the big picture, global, i'r pethau bach, the little nuts and bolts, nitty-gritties, partial, trwy'r amser. Global, can fel hyn, lot o eiriau, partial, like, oh, what's going on there? What's that word? How do I spell it? What is it? What's it? So, hefyd, yna, oeddech chi yn fflitio Cymraeg, Saesneg. So, trwy'r amser, mae'ch llygaid, your eyes are scanning dros y Cymraeg, lot o weithiau. So, dwi ddim yn gwybod os ydych chi wedi cael amser, I don't know if you've had time, achos mae dipyn bach yn manic a neithiwr oedd hi'n hwyr yn ffilmio. Ond please, please, os gallwch chi, heno, just, aderyn. Cancels each other out, mae'n iawn. Heno, yn y gwely, just ymlaciwch. Peidiwch a trio cofio, don't try and remember or memorise. Just scanio, skim read, just trwy'r sgript, yeah? Just unwaith. Nos da. Yeah? Just darllen, the whole thing. Unwaith. Won't take you more than quarter of an hour. Just scanio. Cymraeg, and mae'n iawn, don't see it as a cop-out i gael y Saesneg, because it's important, mae'n iawn, because while you're darllen y Cymraeg, your brain can see the English as well, so it's pairing up words. So mae'n iawn to stick it side by side. Don't think, oh, I'm cheating, iawn. Mae'n alright, mae'n good, mae'n dda. So just scanio trwyddo fe fel hyn. Just cyn cysgu, primacy recency effect. The first thing you do in the morning and the last thing you do at night. Mae'n sticio iawn, felly just cyn mynd i'r gwely, cau a rhoi sgript, os gallech chi. I know you've got massive days, bless you. On help. Bydd e'n help dros diwrnod. Painting that door. Stripio fe lawr, paint it on. Stripio fe lawr, sand it down, paintio fe. Ar ferchog. Reit te. Hapus? Gyda'r geiriau? Yeah? Chi'n hapus? So, dwi'n mynd i daflu geiriau at chi. I'm going to throw some words at you. Dwedwch chi wrtha i beth ydyn nhw yn... Bydda i'n dweud y Gymraeg, dwedwch chi'r Saesneg, iawn? Gwybod? No. Dod? Come. Byw? Live. Siarad? Speak. Gallu? To be able to. Da iawn. Darllen? Read. Deall? Understand. Gweld? See. Rhyddhau? Release. Please, rhyddhau. Credu? Believe. Ennill? To win. I love that Alfie knows that one. To win! Dod! Paratoi! Prepare! Iawn. Always prepare your parrot to speak. Paratoi. Achub! To save. Da iawn. Everybody go, help!
Help!
Achub fi!
Achub fi!
Help! Help! Achub fi! Achub fi! Isie.
To want.
Defnyddio.
To use.
Gwahodd.
Invite.
To invite. To invite. Actio.
To act.
Aros.
To stay.
To stay, da iawn. Neu, to wait hefyd, to wait. Ffilmio.
To film.
Rhedeg. Gweithio.
To work.
Hoffi.
To like.
Helpu.
Help.
Da iawn. Dan. Coginio ar gas, as Bob and Lucie said. Da iawn. Reite. Trauma. This time. Y ffordd arall rownd. Bit trickier iawn. Felly. To know. To come.
Dod.
To live.
Byw.
To speak.
Siarad.
To be able to.
Gallu.
To read.
Darllen.
To understand.
Deall.
To see.
Gweld.
To release me. To believe. Rhyddhau. Credu. To win.
Ennill.
Yay! To prepare.
Toy.
Help! Save me! Da iawn, achub. To want. To use.
Defnyddio.
Da iawn. To invite. Gwahodd. Da iawn, gwahodd. To act.
Actio.
To stay.
Aros.
Da iawn, so go na, aros. Da iawn. To film.
Ffilmio.
To run.
Rhedeg.
To work.
Gweithio.
To like.
Hoffi.
To help.
Helpu.
Arferchog! Iawn! So, mae'r rhain iawn. Mae'r geiriau yna, those are really, really useful. Think of dysgu iaith, learning language, as coeden with roots. These are really important roots, because then you can start siarad, iawn? Siarad. Right, okay. Iawn. Dych chi wedi blino dipyn bach? Dych chi eisiau dŵr? Na? Dych chi'n iawn? Okay. Ar eich traed. Vowels in Welsh, iawn? Dyn ni'n mynd i ymarfer dipyn bach.
Cagashi pa.
Oh no, hang on, North Walian. Something. Give me a little action when we do it. So we're going to go, O'r top i'r gwaelod, iawn? A, e, I, o, I, o. A, e, I, o, I, a. A, e, I, o, I, o. A, e, I, o, I, o. Da iawn. Reit, ymestyn eich brechiau fyny at y to yn uchel iawn. Sefwch ar flaen eich traed i fyny. Ac i lawr. Ysgwydwch eich breichiau ar goes dde, ar goes chwith, ar penol, A'r bronnau. A rownd gyda'ch breichiau yn ôl ac ymlaen a slapio a trowch at y person trowch hwnna a rwbio sgwydde yn neis iawn a'r ferchog na neis a trowch yr ochr arall fel yna a rwbiwch sgwyddo yn neis iawn da iawn cheeky thing ar ferchog neis iawn ac eisteddwch see how selfish I was. Didn't do no rubbing, got rubbed, went to the other side, got rubbed again. I know where it's at. Like to take a nap here. Okay, right, well.
Oh, comedy again. Cannonball. Little and large, that's it.
Oh.
Do you mean cranky?
Yeah, it is a little large, isn't it? Yeah. Par hyfryd. Par hyfryd. Nice pair, lovely pair.
I just showed a different picture.
Par hyfryd. Hyfryd. Maen nhw'n gweithio. Are they dead? No, okay. It's appropriate then, iawn. Maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn.
Maen nhw'n gweithio galed iawn.
Ie, maen nhw'n gweithio. Beth ydi gweithio? Work. Yn galed iawn. Yeah, very hard. Maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn, ydyn?
Galed. Eddie Little?
Galed.
Sid Little and
Eddie Lad, that's it.
Is that what they were called? Their real names? Were they real names?
I don't think so.
Yeah, and it was just a coincidence that they met up, were both comedians, had the same sense of humour.
Stranger things have happened,
Like orange carrots being
Their son.
Exactly.
Her son.
Her son.
I get a feeling I'm being mocked in this class.
Right te. Par hyfryd. Ac maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn. Wel, y bananas mewn pajamas. Par hyfryd. Maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn. Ydyn, man. I will put them on the floor. Let's pick them up. Iawn. Okay. Nesa. Hyfryd. Ac maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn. Ti'n edrych? Yes! Separated at birth, drychwch.
Lucy's married her dad.
Ydyn wir. Hyfryd. Maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn ar ferchog.
Gyda Judy. Dwi'n weld.
So yes, dwi'n cofio ar teledu.
Ac oedd brad dipyn bach yn pug gyda hi'n doedd, bless.
Trenni.
Llwyd. Bra llwyd oedd. Reit te.
Wel, mae pa hyfryd.
Maen nhw'n hyfryd. Reit te, dewisiwch eich par mwyaf hyfryd. Choose your most lovely pair. Pawb I ddewis cardyn. Dyna ni. Pick a card, any card. Dyna chi.
Oh, I was going to have Philip Schofield.
Oh, sorry, bud.
Oh, who's that?
Di, who do you want? Come on.
Come
on, Di. I'll get it for you. What do you want, Di? Get Eamon Holmes. I'm never going to remember hyfryd now.
Reit te, felly, ar eich traed, iawn, a dych chi'n mynd i minglo gyda'ch llun a stopio eich gilydd fel, o, siwmai, o, par hyfryd. Ac maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn. Felly, stopiwch eich gilydd a edrychwch, look at each other's pars, iawn, par. Felly, minglo rownd fel pars. Yeah. O'r gore, felly minglo, da iawn. Minglo.
Gweithio'n galed iawn.
Ac mae'n yn gweithio'n galed iawn.
O, diolch, Lisa.
Diolch.
Hwyl mewn.
Nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn. O, diolch, Lucie.
Gweithio'n galed iawn.
Hyfryd. Ac mae'n gweithio'n
galed iawn.
Yay! Ta-da!
Ac mae'n gweithio'n galed iawn.
Par gweithiwr, mae'n rhoi'n pa hyfryd, mae'n gweithio yn galed iawn. Ac mae'n gweithio, ac mae'n rhoi'n gwaled iawn. Gweithio'n gwaled iawn. Galed iawn. Pa hyfryd?
Pa hyfryd! Ac maen nhw'n gweithio galed iawn. Hwyl fawr.
Pa hyfryd?
O, siamai!
Siamai!
Hyfryd! Ac maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn.
Gwaled iawn.
Gweithio'n galon naw iawn.
Diolch.
Diolch, babe.
How did you get the banana?
He was... Oh, you got... Iawn te. Dych chi'n cofio, yn y wers gyda Ioan, o, na i gymryd eich par hyfryd. Diolch. O, par hyfryd. O, na, par hyfryd. O, par hyfryd. Maen nhw'n gweithio galed iawn.
Par hyfryd yn gweithio... Yr yn gweithio'n...
Dych chi'n cofio? You know we were talking about... You know we were talking about that when you want to go, oh, well, what? Sauna. How do we say? Well, talk about a lovely pair. Sauna. Pa hyfryd. Iawn.
Oh, that's been you.
Sauna pa hyfryd. Sauna pa hyfryd.
Okay, guys, cystadleuaeth, competition. Script.
He'll win. Let him win.
Dych chi mor ffynnu. Reit te, fel fi, dwi'n chwarae pêl rhwyd, iawn. Dwi'n chwarae pêl rhwyd, ie? Ie, dwi'n chwarae pêl rhwyd, reit? Ond, dwi'n... ofnadwy... Ond dwi'n ofnadwy... Achos weithiau, they want the ball so much. Dwi just yn meddwl, oh, bless. Dyna chi, da. I'm just fel, oh, mae'n iawn, cariad. If you want it that much, you can have it, it's fine, mae'n iawn. Na?
You don't like that.
Ti'n meddwl bod fi'n
Sentimentality, do you?
No wonder you're a teacher.
Well, you think that's normal?
Reit te, tudalen 1 I 4. You need the first 4 tudalen o'ch sgript, iawn?
Tudalen.
Out of the folder? Mas o'r folder?
Na, mae'n iawn fel na. Gallwch chi sganio.
Page, is it?
Yeah.
Tudalen, right.
Gallech chi, 2 munud.
I didn't know you could use it like that.
Yeah.
Gallech chi.
No, you don't have to, but you can if you want.
Gallech chi, you able to.
Yeah. Well done, mate. Because that's not an easy one to identify.
Gallech chi, you able to. Gallech, to be able. Gallech, are you able to?
Sôn am bit.
Gallech i.
Sôn am par neis. Sôn am par hyfryd.
Sôn am par.
Okay, right.
Sôn.
Hyfryd. Voila.
Sôn am.
Ar ôl 3, ras, y reis, I ffeindio y frawddeg yma, this sentence, iawn? Dach chi'n barod ar eich ma... So, when you found it, just scream, help achub fi.
Help achub fi.
Right, 1, 2, 3, ffeindio hwnna! Sganio.
Tudalen 3!
Oh
my gosh!
Ble, read it out the
Diane Wynne.
Abby! Diane!
Sôn am pa hyfryd. Where was it?
Byddwn ni'n aros yma.
Byddwn ni'n aros yma.
Tudalen 3.
Uwch ben y llun. Byddwn ni'n aros yma tra'n bod ni'n ffilmio'r gyfres ac mae'n lle bendigedig. Sut oedd ti mor sydyn?
I have to be on page 3.
Look monkey.
Calon honest.
Calon honest. Calon lan.
Mae calon honest dy fi.
Ti'n iawn.
Sorry.
Look monkey. Ardderchog. Iawn te. Felly, dych chi'n cofio bore yma gyda Ioan? Oh, excuse me. Oh, like it's that time of day. Chi'n cofio bore yma gyda Ioan? Oeddech chi'n sefyll, oedd wi yn sefyll yna, yn y canol, neu wedi, yma. The past, heddiw, yn y dyfodol. Wedi was here. Dymunol. Byddai man hyn. Diolch yn fawr, mae hwnna'n help. Reit, gret. Byddai man hyn. Reit te. Felly. Edrychwch ar... Dych chi'n gweld ar tudalen 3, gyferbyn, opposite, dych chi'n gweld hwn? Y patrwm yma, right? So, yma, mae'r... Byddai ydy chi'n gwybod? I will be, iawn. Yn y dyfodol, in the future man hyn, I will be, iawn. Byddai. Yn man hyn? You will be. Iawn? Wedyn, beth ydy a he? He and she. He and she will be. Ni? We. Byddwch chi? You.
Polite and plural, isn't it?
Be. And
They.
they will be. Yeah, they will be. Reit te. Ar eich traed, a dyn ni'n mynd I ganu fel hyn, iawn? Dych chi'n gwybod Frère Jacques? Bit of Ffrangeg. Ond, na, dyn ni'n mynd fel hyn. Gwrandewch gyntaf, iawn? Byddi di, bydd. Try to start too high. Byddwn ni, byddwch chi, byddan nhw. Iawn? Fel yna.
Can we point forward though, rather than...
Actions. Oh, right, okay. Actions. I know this is the future, and the actions are really important so we know which person, right? So when we say I will be, then ni'n mynd fel hyn, okay? So, pawb, fel hyn. Bydda I. Byddi di. Bydda I. Byddi. Byddi di. Byddi di. Byddai. Byddai. Byddi di. Byddai. Byddi di. Iawn?
Yeah.
Bydd e.
Bydd e.
Bydd e. Iawn, bydd e. Bydd hi.
Bydd hi.
Bydd e.
Bydd e.
Bydd hi. Da iawn. Eto o'r top. Byddai. Byddi di. Bydd e. Gwrandewch, iawn.
Hi.
Bydda. Byddi. Byddwn. Byddwch. Byddan. Ond gwrandewch. Bydd. 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 Wahanol. Bydd. Da iawn. Mae'n fyr, shorter, so the accent's a bit different. Bydd. Okay? Right. Byddai. Byddi di. Bydd e. Bydd hi. Right. Byddwn ni. Byddwch chi. Byddan nhw. Them over there, iawn? Okay? Reit te, canu. Frersiaca. Reit, 1, 2, 3. Byddai, byddi di, bydd e, bydd hi, byddwn ni, byddwch chi, byddan nhw. Da iawn, eto. Byddai, byddi di, bydd e, bydd hi, byddwn ni, byddwch chi, byddan nhw. Da iawn, reit te. Yes, gwrs.
Why is byddi di and byddwch chi exactly the same?
Right, da iawn, cwestiwn da iawn. Right, yn Gymraeg, iawn, in Welsh, we've got 2 ways of saying you. Oi, you, right? So, in Saesneg, in English, you is just you, mae'n iawn. Yn Gymraeg, if we're talking to one person, iawn, so os dwi'n dweud, hey, Bob, byddi di, okay, one person, we use this one, ti, okay? Os ydyn ni'n siarad, so it's like tishe. Ti ishe flapjack? Ti ishe llaeth, dŵr? Ti. Os ydyn ni'n siarad gyda lot o bobl, if we're talking to a group of people, we use this one, chi. Okay. So if you're talking to a group of children, chi ishe chwarae rygbi? Lot o blant, iawn? So, ti, un person, chi, grŵp o bobl, iawn? Hefyd, also, there is a slight difference, iawn? If somebody is older, or you don't know them very well, you want to show a bit of respect, we also use the chi version, iawn? So say you were to meet somebody 3 times your age, you've never met them before, you would also use chi. So it's like a respect thing. Hefyd, iawn? So mae'r ddau fersiwn. Ond, at this stage, nobody's going to shoot you if you disrespect them a bit and call them ti, because they'll just be loving mo chi'n siarad Cymraeg, iawn? Cwestiwn da, forgot to explain. OK, chi'n barod? Eto, 1, 2, 3. Bydda I, byddi di, bydd e, bydd hi, byddwn ni, byddwch chi, byddan nhw. Dipyn bach o marcho. Bydda I, byddi di, bydd e, bydd hi, byddwn ni, byddwch chi, byddan nhw. Adferchog, we had a few bit of freestyle. They will be. Da iawn. Reit te. Os edrych yn... O, eisteddwch ardderchog.
Worn out.
We've already shown a sheet today. Expect
God's sake. Oh yeah. Nes ti'n neud fel Ffrangeg? Did you do any French? Yeah, exactly the same as tu and vous in French. So, same idea. Fu, tu.
Yeah. And that's why the chi is after for the group.
Wedyn, yeah.
So for the important person, you put the chi as in like you change the V and the second word after.
Oh, see, I
like fws a fe, you put the Z.
A fe fw, yn union.
Yeah.
Yn union.
Yeah.
Mae'n dod wedyn. Da iawn. Reit, dych chi'n gweld yma, byddwn ni'n aros. Beth ydi aros? Stay, da iawn. Byddwn ni'n aros, okay? So, we've got one of those action words yma. So how would we say, right? Yma, see this super glue, iawn? Super glue. It sticks this to the action word, right? So sut dyn ni'n dweud, how would we say, instead of we would be staying, beth ydy'r gair, nathon ni wneud, right, beth ydy to see? Gweld, da iawn, right? So, well, if you would imagine, you couldn't, if you were welding and you weren't wearing your welding goggles, you couldn't gweld after that, iawn? See, gweld. Byddwn ni'n, we will be seeing?
Gweld.
Byddwn ni'n gweld. Iawn? Byddwn ni'n gweld. Fory, byddwn ni'n gweld John. Yeah, tomorrow we will be seeing John.
We
will be reading. Byddwn ni'n darllen, da iawn.
No mutations at all in the future.
No change. We will be running.
Byddwn ni'n rhedeg.
We will be winning. Da iawn. We will be rescuing.
Byddwn ni'n achub.
Da iawn. We will be helping.
Byddwn ni'n helpu.
Da iawn. We will be filming.
Byddwn ni'n ffilmio.
Da iawn. We will be working.
Byddwn ni'n gweithio.
Da iawn. We will be reading.
Byddwn ni'n darllen.
Da iawn. We will be speaking Welsh.
Byddwn ni'n siarad Cymraeg.
Weird. What will you be doing?
Byddwn ni'n siarad Cymraeg.
Weird. Beth fyddwch chi'n neud?
Byddwn ni'n siarad Cymraeg.
Da iawn. Byddwn ni'n siarad Cymraeg cyn diwedd yr wythnos. Gwych. Ardderchog. Reit te. Ar eich traed, parti canu yn yr Eisteddfod Genedlaethol. Reit te. Daw hyfryd fus, Mehefin cyn bo hir, a chlywir y gwcwn canu'n braf yn ein tir. Braf yn ein tir, braf yn ein tir. Gwcwn canu'n braf yn ein tir. Could do with a bit of group love cyn i ni orffen, dych chi'n meddwl? Felly, dyn ni'n mynd i newid cyfeiriad.
And then turn.
Ar ôl hwn. Yma hyn. Iawn? Oh, yeah. Okay. Chi'n barod?
Blind slice.
Blind slice. Don't talk to me about email addresses. Okay, there. 1, 2, 10 gynta, iawn? 1, 2, 3. Daw hyfryd fus, Mehefin cyn bo hir, a